Anyway, mensaka braba ko ha say and I make a choice say what channel so better no endi wuda because non-stop energy. And I mean you also say no way a straight life wonder so some so all perform here. Hey, homanate. Oh, home. Good morning.
Good morning.
Akwaba.
Yeah.
Hey, we're hard working, you know. Okay, you were going around doing promo. Now what's me? I'm sorry, I just sorry. Then
with the fever too.
Why not?
Yeah.
Oh, fabum. I'm here, Juma na ye.
Now they are got
more pia. Okay, my main chair Martina, and my birthday.
Wow.
Happy birthday, Martina. 65 and strong.
Wow.
Oh,
amen.
Amen. Martina, really, just farmer because some I meet to say me discipline or the shame me. Nyamisum, upo, praise be as a phobe dry sorry. Hey, Martina, me you cry still cry with me because she's been amazing. Yamisha, happy birthday, mommy. And big shout out to Buffett Puff. I mean, the real CEO himself, the chair guy, Badwam Ahosepe, very solid. I don't pay what's a one or Shamicha and we'll be saying it now. But Francis, there's still testimony, right?
Yes, I'm good to
yes. But you're saying.
Oh, everything is on point by the grace of God. We should say Adom. This year, so we are bringing a gathering of worshippers, and on the 23rd of this month, next week Sunday, now 4 p.m. No, I know by it's going to be powerful. And so we share t-shirts now. Okay. We can t-shirts now. Okay, take free. By way now, but they are supporting. Yeah. Offense. Oh, okay, nice and so. Very nice. And we share. Yeah. A chain of Francis Amo Ministries. My grace, my testimony. Okay. Come. For the Kenya say Jumadian day free. Yeah. Na Bra Francis, the ministries no ma fa to mo so say mo share Resiani Janka. Yeah. Na Resiani Janka no, o ma sha na say no, akoba so discover talent orphanage home hwa. Yeah. Enkwala ni be hia instrument o mo di be nyame aye. Amo to jumpa. What you say? To jumbo keyboard, a serious.
Ba wo kwa na wo do instruments so say person wo to be gu ho ma o.
So nya bi mom. December no ye painti place one nyina mom okay na ye to ndiane ne ade mom na ye life and mom so we have it on my Facebook and the YouTube page so we enjoy with them say we are going there again to go and support them to have the instrument and then have some dresses. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah.
So me promise say one bag of items. Kalania man, pabwa, school bags, which is shimmy ade. And I pay a point and I may hand you over. And Kalano. So Ghana men Kalama meal.
Powerful.
And you are grow. Powerful. Sing I mean sure say what faster initiative yeah.
It's me that.
We are quite my boy have the filo drink back back home.
Oh, that's it.
With the filo drink back come orphanage for mom kwano feel it Francis.
That's it.
Oh yeah there.
That's Miss Mendas.
Abakoso Pastor Ucha sorry hold on.
Aye, Rain House. I was not Legon. Ufi hacho na udu Legon Gardens na. Ka na branches or call Aboba. Ka na folk top kakra when sir right Papa Space abi wo. Na chipe wo na program baso. Okay,
yate Pastor Uche but sorry ni diankasa de say na be obi boshe go house.
Rain House.
Go house, go house. Boshe go map na.
Map na, yeah.
Rain House
Chapel.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Rain House.
Wa
himfo ne ahimafo enwenu wo na that prophet is doing very well.
Oh yeah, now
by the grace of God. He's doing very well.
For a young guy like him to take upon himself say obeka the gospel nyame asem on Lucy focus. Yeah. Oh, Gina so social so do ya so Kenya no so fair.
Yeah.
Oh. And I'm also worry girls are wild nature.
The man come out mama. Me I met to turn no man say no Gina so.
No lie.
So we are Mrs. Danti. A bar and say buy a fee and say
oh.
Yes.
That's nice. And you know, menya we name You are one of the greatest gospel musicians we have in Ghana.
By the grace of God.
And no controversies, just focus doing the gospel, winning souls. Now, I'm saying, was a beef for the idea of Homa Sebita Frache, we are Sephono, the secular artists. But I say, I won't call for some beef for you. Now, you say, no, Miami, and you be per se, me aunties to cry. I'm a song with see any gospel beef. Now, I see we have gospel, I actually cry. More person with the Danny beef, yeah. But Francis, what I met, she can't run the 2 million for my.
Yo, that's it. And I call, there's another radio say.
Okay.
So I know my young women, we share history near the idea. It has been there. It is there. In the church. These things are there. People are fighting people in the church.
Low key.
You know, there's a lot going on in the church. But I see, say, it has come to a time we need to realize, say, we are building another generation. So we should do things that it will not cost us in our old days. So we should try and make sure, say, because younger say, manner of we can't control them. At us now.
What I say?
We can't control them.
Preach.
Let's say, we should try and, you know, build another generation. You penny, you know. Omobe say, we a penny, we are quala. Right now, what I say, first of all, no go to say penny, it's a car more. What me sorry. Oh, sorry, penny, but 2 hours, sorry, more, but nasi.
Yes.
But say, I'm penny for an answer, a tray, and a man colano, a boo and what my. Because on Baba Niggas age and Trosho no my yet to blow. Yet in a parliament I yet to blow. Yet in a saw them my yet to blow. So, Mestre, me mamma, and Brasim. Casabu on moi. What can and that? Ube free say what can we sir.
Internet never forgets.
Chinano. Uba question na Casano, a solitia penny yim. Because Enchebia, the microphone show in some more. Won't me from Coano. Yes, peja would you could not pop it here. Won't mean yes, because Emre.
So, but I say, why the web preacher, I hope some of my beef. The focus is to win souls. But Francis said, as I said, when you are buy, you want to offer a number, your best friend, your t-shirts, maybe a ton.
Okay, but your no money is 0.
Number no, Nayana. I would have Verena, Mema, Abanti, happy birthday, way for Richmond. Was it a very best friend, dope guy, fresh guy by all standard, just a branch and Emma glass or so. Happy birthday, Alfred Kaffa. Was may this bring you nothing but good times and great memories. Enjoy your day from Richmond. What number no?
0257 491 744 0257 491 744.
Okay.
But your friend number we will be happy to host you.
You will be
baby I will deliver to you.
You will be a
first baby I will cry be go me can and to me we am ko yi ba kwa manti Sunday night.
That's right.
So no dey
okay, Madam Ahosepe. Oh, my director and switch more ho ntino. Mark Web Asante Achima go this year.
Okay.
Fe ba kuma
oh, you can see pa.
Aye. It's your Ahosepe say we buy here.
I'm so grateful for the opportunity.
Yes, we are grateful. You are family. Atu. Ejabusi adi be see Mark Web. I am a director at Asante Achima go this year. Eugenia Beidi will make up departments. So no so than Stefano, MCR, camera, Thomas, AD, and a Prince, OPD, and a producer. And a big shouts and Koma Kenzie. Yeah, salute sir. And I feel both food puff. Yeah. Come up, when I need to wash out paper. It's one of my man to t-shirt and buy 10. What I say, the real owner of the BC family.
Yeah, promotion, someone and say,
Union friend. I was here, I'm the guy's queen, but the best young Kalama, my crowd, same time, same channel, yeah, best baby. I'm out.